A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has called on pension funds to seek more investments in real estate. Mr. Holness was speaking today at the groundbreaking ceremony for new apartments in New Kingston. Dashan Hendricks reports.
The Prime Minister was at Musgrave Avenue, New Kingston on Wednesday to break ground on Guardian General Insurance Company's Hampshire development, a suite of 66 apartment units, but he was clear in his mind what he wants to see happening in New Kingston.
If you look at just this area, this is one development, another here, and a few scattered around the place. But the entire area is in need of this kind of development. There are other pieces of property adjoining, close by, that have depreciated.
And so he wants pension funds to get involved, investing money in real estate to help regenerate the area. The Hampshire is one such development benefiting from pension funds. It is expected to benefit its pensioners in the long term as the investment realizes projected returns. Mr. Holness wants more of this to happen.
We have the money. Take the money out of paper and put it into concrete. Put it into tangible things. Put it into things that are going to employ people. Put it into things that are going to create products that we can sell and earn. Let us together create our ecosystem.
Growth which will push the country's economic expansion along from meandering at under 2% to 5% in 3 years. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The US dollar is selling for $129.54. The Canadian dollar sells for $98.43. The pound sterling costs $166.35, while the euro sells for $146.26. For a second week running, consumers will see lower prices at the pumps. The reduction will bring the ex-refinery price of gasoline to the lowest it has been in a month. But by how much will prices fall? For that, we go to Dashan Hendricks at the Smartboard. Dashan.
Well, Petrojam has announced that it will cut gasoline prices for a second straight week. Today, it said it will be cutting the price of E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline each by 92 cents, and that will bring the prices to a 1 month low. The price of regular diesel goes down. This week, it falls by $1.37, while the low sulfur variety declines by $1.51. Kerosene is down as well. It falls this week by $2.96, while propane cooking gas is down $2.60, and butane is down $1.12. It's now back to you, Dwayne.
Thanks very much, Dashan. And the price of oil dipped to its lowest settlement in 7 months today. Oil for delivery in July ended the day down $1.73 to $44.73. That's the lowest settlement price recorded for oil since November 14 last year. Finally, this evening, the main JSE market index gained more than 424 points in trading today, while the junior market index lost 32. Among the stocks posting gains were 1834 Investments, Cargo Handlers, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Financial, the NCB Financial Group, Rated Jamaica, and T-Tech. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Honeybun, Lasco Manufacturing, Panjam, and Seprod. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Do have a great evening.